Hello, my name is Jasmine Martinez, and today I'll be talking about a composite cell. In this presentation, I'll be describing the cell nucleus and its parts. The nucleus is one of the three major parts of the cell. The other two will be cytoplasm and the cell membrane. The nucleus also contains DNA, which stores genetic information. The nucleus is an important part of the cell because it controls the activities that go on in the cell. So basically, you can think of the nucleus as the brain of the cell. So here's a picture of the nucleus. We have the pores, the nuclear envelope, the nucleolus, and the chromatin. We're going to be talking about these terms in the following slides. So first, we have the nuclear envelope, which is a double layer. It has the inner and the outer lipid membrane, and these two are joined together right here in the nuclear pores. The nuclear pores are not just holes that anything can go through, so they just only allow certain substances such as RNA to leave the nucleus, and they also allow substances to go into the nucleus. However, DNA, it's not allowed to leave the nucleus because it has the genetic information. Another part of the nucleus will be the nucleoplasm, which is a fluid which has structures such as the chromatin and the nucleolus. The chromatin consists of 46 chromosomes, and during cell division, we are able to see the chromatin fibers. The other structure in the nucleoplasm will be the nucleolus, which I like to call the little nucleus. This is composed of RNA and protein, and it's also the location where ribosome is produced. Here is a picture where you can see exactly the location of the nucleoplasm. Then I included this picture because I think it helps us understand more of the part of the cell we just talked about, which is the nucleus. So as shown in the picture, we have a normal cell, which is composed of cytoplasm, nucleus, and other cellular structures. And then we have the nucleus, which has the chromatin and the nucleolus, which was what we just went over in the previous slides. So that's all for today. Thank you.